it bothers me probably more than the person that signs up and gets little to no results. And it does happen. I'm not going to ever hide that from anybody and say, oh, I get the best results for every single person that signs up with me. That's just not how it works. That's, in all reality, that's not how it works. Anyway, the title of the video, I hate when this happens. So, two things. One is trying to explain to somebody why the CRM is triggering false updates. And this is for anybody else that's having the same issue, especially, if you don't already know about Identity IQ and how outdated it is, and it just doesn't work well with the software I'm using. With the CRM is updated as well. So it may show you that something was deleted, but it actually wasn't. There's nothing I can do about that. There's nothing you can do about that. Until Identity IQ updates their software, there's nothing anybody can do about it. And trying to make people understand that there's nothing I'm doing. I'm not making it trigger some fake deletion type deal to make you think I'm getting all these crazy results for you. I have no control over any of them as far as that goes. That's why I won't accept any new clients that have Identity IQ. It has to be My Free Score Now or Smart Credit, nothing else. The other thing is I hate when people, obviously people want results. They want them right now. They don't want to wait. Unfortunately, that's not how it works. Some people will stick around for just a couple months, get a bunch of deletions, and then they will either email me or text me and say they're no longer interested because nothing has happened. Even when I send them screenshots of the stuff that was deleted, then they go on to say, I'll give you an example of one today. So one today had a bunch of inquiries removed that should have been removed months ago. But I was trying to explain to them that I still got them removed by sending letters. They should have fell off naturally. That's a fact. I'm not sure why they were still on there, but they're off now. But again, for me, if you don't have at least 4 months to put into this minimum, then it's probably not for you. Again, some people are done quick. Others it takes 3 to 4 months. Some it takes 6 to 8 months. It just varies from person to person. And it's not like I can just, look at the credit report and say, oh, I'm going to be done in 90 days, or I'll be done in 6 months, or, put y'all in the Lambo package and you'll be done in 45 days or whatever that was. But, it bothers me probably more than the person that signs up and gets little to no results. And it does happen. I'm not going to ever hide that from anybody and say, oh, I get the best results for every single person that signs up with me. That's just not how it works. That's, in all reality, that's not how it works. AC, yes, I appreciate that. If y'all don't mind, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. It kind of blows my mind that I have less than 900 subscribers, but you got all these people that are on here scamming people that have thousands and thousands and millions of followers. It's amazing how that works, but I don't really care about having that many subscribers, but it's just crazy that the people that are out here scamming people and not even doing any work or little work at that, definitely nobody that can prove they're working on your credit like me. I mean, I can send copies of the letters that I send to the bureaus, which I did stop doing that a couple months ago. The reason I stopped is because I was working 50, 60 hours a week at a job, so it makes it extremely hard to find time to send copies of the letters. So it took 5 months to get a bankruptcy off one bureau. Now, to some that may sound like a long time, but in most cases, it's a minimum of 6 months to remove bankruptcy, whether it be off one bureau or all three. So it's actually, 5 months is actually good to remove a bankruptcy, even if it's just off one bureau. And again, I've had people sign up, bankruptcy be gone, and trying to think the guy's name. He done the review video.
I signed up December 27th or 28th. Had 3 bankruptcies, 2 collections, 2 derogatories, a closed account, and everything's gone as of last week.
Maybe y'all know I'm talking about Dexter Simmons, I think. I had it off all 3 bureaus in like 2 months, so it really depends on the bureaus at the end of the day. And also getting it removed from the secondary bureaus speeds up the process as well. People, I don't want to say a lot of people, but certain people, they sign up, and if they don't see results right away, they get discouraged, or they think maybe I'm not even working on it. So I'll use a good example. So there's a person, I won't name their name, but they just started doing credit repair. So obviously they reach out to people like me and others that have been doing it a while. So they sent out 15 letters for 15 different people, and they saw 0 results. Now they're using the same software I use, and they're ready to give up already. And I told them, you can't give up till you've tried at least 4 rounds. Now, if you do 4 rounds of Metro 2 compliance letters with that many people and you get no results, then yes, it's not for you. The other issue is a lot of people that start doing credit repair, they only send to TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. Depending on what it is, you got to include LexisNexis, you got to include CoreLogix, you got to include Factor Trust, ARS, Clarity Services. I mean, there's so many of them that you have to add with it.